What if you had a printer that not only printed faster and more efficiently than any other, but also gave you the confidence to tackle the most daunting print projects in your office with ease? You won't believe how life-changing it feels to have a printing experience like this. We've all been there, stuck in the stone age of printing, wrestling with clunky devices that eat up ink, jam frequently, and take forever to churn out even a single sheet. Those agonizing 5 to 10 minutes watching the screen as the printing in progress message drags on like hours feel like an eternity, disrupting our workflow and making us question why we even bothered with this piece of equipment. Well, those days are behind us with the Lexmark MS823dn. Let's dive right in and explore the box. As you carefully unbox the Lexmark MS823dn, you're immediately struck by its premium build quality and sleek design. This is no ordinary printer. It exudes a level of craftsmanship that's hard to find in today's mass-produced products. The moment your fingers wrap around its solid metal structure, you can sense the weight and durability of this behemoth of a printer, which is not surprising given its impressive specifications. The Lexmark MS823dn features a first page out time of just 4.2 seconds, outputting up to an astonishing 65 pages per minute. Not only do you enjoy remarkably quick turnaround times with this device, but also its reliability and consistency guarantee that you'll never have to sit through agonizing delays or frustrating restarts. This level of performance is a game changer for businesses, schools, and organizations where every minute counts, where the pace of output directly impacts productivity, and meeting those deadlines becomes the top priority. One of the most impressive features the Lexmark MS823dn has to offer is its groundbreaking two-sided printing capabilities. Gone are the days of tediously flipping your documents and wasting paper. This device allows seamless two-way printing without breaking the bank or overloading the paper tray, giving you more space to breathe and allowing your focus to remain squarely on the matter at hand. The Lexmark MS823dn truly revolutionizes how we engage with printing technology, streamlining processes, and enhancing the overall efficiency of our work environment. Now let's take a closer look under the hood and explore 5 cutting-edge features that separate the Lexmark MS823dn from its more basic, mass-market competitors. Its exceptional capacity of up to 4,400 sheets means that you can run the machine non-stop for extended periods, never having to worry about running low on paper. This capacity allows even in large-scale printing environments, where several team members and workstations simultaneously rely on this shared resource to continue with ease. Whether you're working in marketing, graphics design, education, or healthcare, having an abundance of printing supplies always at your fingertips means fewer precious minutes lost on searching for replacement materials. A critical aspect of this device's performance is its incredibly long lifespan. With a long-life imaging unit and a fuser that may never need replacement, the MS823dn can print for thousands of hours without breaking a sweat. This is what makes it an ideal solution for high-traffic business printing centers, as well as for larger institutions such as schools and government offices. With a Lexmark MS823dn, you're essentially investing in a reliable, long-term printing partner. Another standout feature is the Lexmark MS823dn's ability to print at an incredible resolution of 1200 dots per inch. Not only does this result in crisp, clear text, but also produces professional quality graphics without the need for any additional external equipment or printing solutions. This versatility opens up a new world of opportunities for in-house printing, empowering you and your colleagues to tackle everything from basic documents to complex marketing materials, all within the comfort of your shared office printing environment. The Lexmark MS823dn's color LCD display provides at-a-glance access to your system status and any issues that may arise during operation. It not only simplifies navigation, but also makes it easy to identify areas for improvement and perform routine maintenance tasks in a timely fashion. For those who need to multitask or work in different parts of the office, this device features remote printing capabilities. With just a few clicks, users can start their print jobs from anywhere in the building, and then retrieve their documents once the process is complete. This is perfect for teams working in collaborative environments where communication and workflow are crucial yet constantly under pressure. The Lexmark MS823dn doesn't shy away from the tough tasks either. In real-world testing scenarios, this powerhouse consistently outperforms its competitors in every metric under the sun. It churns through even the toughest print jobs at an incredible speed of 65 ppm and manages to keep up with even the most demanding printing schedules. Imagine being able to print an entire 50-page report at over 1 page per second. Not only is this device capable of handling demanding tasks, such as printing out multiple 3-ring binders in just a fraction of the time, but its speed, reliability, and performance also give employees confidence in their ability to get the job done faster, more efficiently, and accurately. Now that we've discussed its technical advantages, let's also take a minute to talk about the Lexmark MS823dn's limitations. In our opinion, the only significant downside to this otherwise remarkable device is that users occasionally experience minor difficulties when trying to access certain printer-specific settings or navigating its somewhat complex interface. However, in our expert opinion, this is a trifling matter compared to the Lexmark MS823dn's numerous benefits. Not only do its advantages far outweigh this minor issue, but they also contribute to a more streamlined, efficient work environment that lets you and your colleagues focus on what really matters. In the world of printing, there's a constant struggle for dominance among the various brands and models competing for space in the market. And it's no secret that some of the industry leaders are beginning to find themselves facing stiff competition from newcomers armed with cutting-edge technology. However, after our extensive testing, we can confidently say the Lexmark MS823dn truly stands head and shoulders above the competition. In direct comparison to more popular printing brands like Canon and HP, it's clear that the Lexmark MS823dn has been specifically engineered to tackle every printing challenge that life throws at it, be it long documents, detailed graphics, or even the occasional printing emergency. And the result? Your office printing experience is transformed into one of speed, efficiency, and reliability. The Lexmark MS823dn does more than just make printing easy. It also gives you the confidence to take on even the most demanding projects with complete peace of mind. You can rely on it every step of the way, from the first page to the last, without having to worry about paper jams, clogged ink cartridges, or the dreaded out-of-memory error message. It truly lives up to the claims it makes about revolutionizing your printing experience for the better. In our view, the Lexmark MS823dn is more than just an incredible product. It represents a genuine game changer in the printing industry. And we're confident that you'll experience the exact same transformation as we did. In light of its impressive performance, unparalleled print quality, seamless connectivity, and reliability, coupled with a comprehensive set of features that tackle every printing challenge, it's clear that Lexmark MS823dn is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to revolutionize your office printing experience for good. Without hesitation, we give our highest recommendation to everyone considering buying this extraordinary device. So go ahead, unleash the Lexmark MS823dn's full potential within your team. Watch as your productivity soars to new heights and experience firsthand the transformative power of a world-class office printer like no other.